Are you ready for some news that's about to shake up your entire workflow? Imagine this. You're casually scrolling through your feed, and then suddenly your screen practically explodes with whispers. Whispers that quickly turn into a roar, the kind of roar that sends a jolt of excitement right through you. We're talking about the Sony FX3 II, and if the word from the most plugged-in sources is true, and trust me, these sources are rarely wrong, this camera is slated to hit shelves before Q3 of 2025. So, if you've been dreaming of an upgrade or just curious about what's next, get ready, because your next cinematic powerhouse might be just around the corner, promising to redefine what a compact cinema camera can truly achieve. Now let's flash back a bit. The original FX3 dropped on February 23, 2021, and honestly, it was a game changer. Sony essentially took the heart of a cinema camera, packed it into a mirrorless body, and served it up to professionals who craved cinematic quality without the bulk. It shared its 12.1 megapixel CMOS sensor with the beloved A7S III, rocked 4K UHD up to 120 frames per second, and boasted 10-bit 42222 internal recording in XAVCSI. For its size, it was a creative powerhouse. But, and there's always a but, the FX3 wasn't perfect. Two major features were notably absent, causing a fair bit of head-scratching among pros: internal RAW video recording and open-gate video recording. Sure, you could get 16-bit RAW out via HDMI, but strapping on an external recorder felt clunky, especially when competitors were already offering internal RAW. And open-gate? That feature, which uses the entire sensor area for ultimate post-production flexibility across various aspect ratios. Think vertical TikToks to widescreen cinema, was a major miss. Brands like Panasonic and Fujifilm were already ahead of the curve, even in more affordable models. Sony needed to catch up, and it seems they've been seriously listening. The buzz from reliable sources like SAR.com is electrifying, pointing to some truly game-changing upgrades for the FX3 II. First up, the rumor that's got everyone's jaws on the floor: a global shutter sensor. While not officially confirmed, the mere mention sends shivers down spines. A global shutter would be a monumental leap, completely eradicating rolling shutter issues. No more wobbly buildings during fast pans, no more distorted golf clubs mid-swing. For filmmakers, this is a massive win, eliminating a perpetual headache. But that's just the beginning. The biggest confirmed upgrades are equally, if not more, exciting. Prepare yourselves for open-gate recording in a 3:2 aspect ratio. This isn't just a nice-to-have, it's a workflow revolution. Imagine shooting once and having the full sensor data to flexibly crop for any platform: YouTube, Instagram Reels, cinema, you name it. All without sacrificing quality. Sony users have been clamoring for this, and it's finally happening. And here's the mic drop: internal 12-bit RAW recording. This bold move puts the FX3 II on par with top-tier pro cameras. You get maximum dynamic range, rich color, and incredible grading flexibility, all internally, no bulky recorders needed. With 12-bit depth, expect smooth gradients and nuanced tones that let you push your creativity without limits. Pure power, packed in a compact body. These features aren't just about making the FX3 II better, they signify a crucial shift in Sony's strategy. Their competitors, particularly Panasonic and Fujifilm, have been aggressive, offering internal RAW and open-gate in increasingly compact and affordable bodies. The pressure has been mounting on Sony, and with the FX3 II, they are clearly answering the call. It also addresses a significant frustration for many professionals. Sony's more expensive cinema cameras, like the FX6 and FX9, still require external recorders for RAW. This added equipment complicates workflows, especially when mobility is key. The FX3 II, with its streamlined internal RAW and open gate, is perfectly poised to win back users who might have strayed. The timing couldn't be better. Today's filmmakers create for multiple platforms at once. An open-gate 3:2 recording makes frame once, reframe later a reality. The Sony FX3 II isn't just an update, it's a statement. With 12-bit RAW, open gate, and a compact form, Sony is aiming to lead the hybrid cinema space. Expected before Q3 2025, the FX3 II could become the go-to camera for solo creators, doc shooters, and music video directors alike. What do you think of these features? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates.